On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your tub spout. Replacing the tub spout's pretty simple and basic. The most difficult part of replacing your tub spout is understanding how your tub spout is secured. A lot of times there's two different ones that you have to be mindful of, and if you don't know which one you have, you'll be really frustrated when you're trying to remove your old tub spout. If you look at these two tub spouts on the exterior, they look identical. It's not until you look on the back end that you see where the difference is. If you look on the back of this one, you can see that there is threading on the inside. And what happens is when you're trying to remove your old tub spout, you're going to have to use a twisting motion to twist off of the insert or the nipple that's at the end. Whereas on this particular spout, you can see there's a little set screw that secures to the actual pipe. So once you go ahead and put the tub spout on, to secure it, you won't use a twisting motion like the other one. You'll actually have to secure your set screw here at the bottom. A lot of the newer models here on the side has a little slot with the set screw on the side, and it's usually just a flathead screwdriver that you need to actually secure and or remove it. So once you understand that, what you're going to do is you're going to check on the exterior of your tub spout on both sides, and you can see we do not have a set screw. So here we're looking at the bottom and you can see our set screw, so we are going to have to loosen that. Right now I'm just taking the Allen key and I'm loosening the set screw. Once you loosen it, you should be able just to slide it off. This is your little spout extender right here. It's a completely separate piece. It'll slide right out. You can see on this one, it's just full of corrosion. So whenever you're trying to open and close it, it will still allow water to kind of spill over. Now, if you do have the one with the set screw, whether on the bottom or the side, you're simply going to go ahead and just make sure that you loosen the set screw on your new one, and you're just going to slide it right on. If you don't have a set screw, you can see here, there is no place for the set screw to go. What you're going to have on the end of your pipe is going to be this little fitting right here. It's going to be soldered on like this piece here. You will have to use a torch. And basically what you're going to do is, if it doesn't have a set screw, you'll basically just twist on like this. This is kind of a bottom view. What you're going to do is just going to loosen the set screw, and just to allow for you to slide it right onto the new pipe. Once you loosen it, you can go ahead and just slide on your spout onto the new pipe. Basically just push it back like that. Once you get it on there nice and set, you want to go ahead and tighten your set screw. Don't over tighten it. You don't want to cause any burring or damage to the pipe, if in case you in the future have to replace it with another spout. And basically once it's nice and snug, you can go ahead, just give it a nice pull. You can see it's nice and set on there. If you do have an extension piece, you are going to have to put it on and then put your spout. But right now I'm just going to take it off. This is just for demonstration purposes. I want to clean up this caulking, remove all this mildew. But this is just kind of a how-to video. I've been getting a lot of comments on my channel regarding the different types of spouts. One thing I do want to mention, if you do have this particular spout that has the set screw, you can remove the inner components. So let's say for some reason you buy that particular spout and it has this little fitting at the end. You can remove the inner components simply by twisting it out. You can see here at the end, it's just a plastic that has the same concept. Once you remove the inner components, you will be able to use it if you do have the adapter with the thread at the end. Then go ahead and just twist it on. If this video was a help, if it was informational, please subscribe.